Hey guys, it's Mary. So I received the very last auto ship from the Diamond Press Slimline original set. And this one's called Celebrate. And I have to say, I'm going to miss these because I have really enjoyed all the different ones. I haven't used all of them. I have used some of them. And this one is just as good as the other ones. Let me get this out of the way. Look at the confetti. Let's take this out. I'm just so excited. So, of course, it comes with Slimline folder. Thank you, Diamond Press, for always thinking of us. And I can get this out. It's sticky. Comes with an edge, which are, all of them are interchangeable. It's got confetti, and this one's got the candles. Look at how cute that is. And it's got all kinds of words. And okay, celebrate. Cake day. I don't know. Let's cheat and look and see what it says. Happy cake day. Happy cake day. Happy birthday. So it does say happy cake day. I think that must be the happy cake day. And then happy birthday. One of these says birthday. I believe them. And then there's birthday wishes. Hurrah. I believe that's the one that says hurrah. And then it says let's celebrate. Celebrate. One of those must say wishes and one of them must say hurrah. So look at how cute this is going to be with the little streamers, little stars. It makes a little scallop edgy thing. And the candles. These candles are going to be cute. Put a different color behind. That's going to take a while, but that would be so cute. And then the little yellow flames. I like it. All right, so like I said, this is the last one. And I am going to miss them. But one more auto ship out of the way. So these have been a joy, though. They always cut really well. I always love the big letters, the words the Diamond Press sends. I really, really like it. So, and perfect, because each one had a theme. I remember it started with the Aloha one, which got me from day one. So, this is great. All right, so that's it. Diamond Press Celebrate Slimline. Really happy with it. I've been happy with, like I said, all of them. So, thanks for taking the time to watch. You know, I really appreciate it. If you're a subscriber, if I can get the word out, thank you for subscribing. If you feel the urge to hit the like button, I would appreciate that. If you have this kit, if you've gotten all the auto ships along with me, let me know. Let me know what you've made. If you have a favorite, let me know that one too. I really think the Aloha one is my favorite still. So, so that's it. Let me know in comments. I always enjoy reading them. So, so until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. See you next time. Bye-bye.